Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to episode 3 of our English podcast. I am your host, Sam. Today, we will practice 20 daily English sentences, 10 short ones and 10 long ones. I want you to repeat after me. This is called shadowing. When you shadow my sentences, you will become more comfortable and fluent in English. Let's start first with 10 short sentences. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. Thank you so much. See you soon. Excuse me. I am sorry. What's your name? My name is Sam. Have a nice day. Now let's learn 10 longer sentences which are used in everyday life. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I am learning English every day. Can you please help me with this? I like to drink tea in the morning. I want to improve my English speaking. I am going to the market right now. It is very nice to meet you today. Please speak slowly. I am learning English. I will call you when I reach home. I am feeling happy because I am practicing. Don't worry, mistakes help you learn faster. Great job. You just practiced 20 daily English sentences with me. Repeat these sentences every day to make them a habit. Just like a doctor suggests medicine 3 times a day, I suggest you practice these sentences 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. This way you will catch the sentences and remember them naturally. Now it's turn for today's motivational quote. Practice is your daily medicine. Take it 3 times a day, and fluency will surely come to you. Remember, the more you practice, the easier English becomes. Thank you for listening to episode of our English Learning Podcast. See you in the next episode.